Hey everyone, it's Sam with Red Hills Rerun, and today we have a garage sale haul, so let's get to it. First up are these Nike Air Force One shoes. They have a clear plastic upper, and they were never worn. Pretty cool. So these say $10 on them. I didn't pay that for them. Because at the same sale I found this Slingbox 500. Everything is complete in the box. It also looked like it had never been used. And then this belt was free at the same sale. And then this is a 13-inch Dansk paella pan. I thought this pan was going to be worth more than it was. I can sell it for about $30, but anyway. So for all this at the one sale I paid $50. So I found a similar shoe on eBay for about $65 I believe, and then the Slim goes for about $150. Okay, next up are these MBT shoes. They were also almost brand new. I might even sell them as new without box. They're in great shape. I bought these at an estate sale for $3, and these sell for $40. They're like Skechers shape-ups. So now I'm showing you all these vintage car magazines. This is kind of like a miscellaneous stack of just like random car magazines from the 60s on up to the 80s. This is a magazine called Carcraft. There's several in there, and this is the biggest collection. It's Hot Rod magazine, which is awesome, and there are quite a few in there. This is Popular Hot Rodding. I don't know how much these will go for. I believe I might start them as an auction and see where they go from there. Here's another stack. It's kind of miscellaneous. It's a Super Chevy, Chrysler Power, and I believe there's Mopar Muscle. Yep. So I got those all at the same sale. Also included was this huge Dexter cleaver. It's not very valuable. Cleavers are generally pretty good pickups, but this is not, unfortunately. And in that same sale, I bought these. So I bought 126 of these capsules for 25 cents each. They are still good. They have not expired. So these sell in like a 2-pack for about $12.95 shipped, like with free shipping. So I think that's pretty good. So it's like 126 times like $10 after shipping, or $9 after fees and shipping and all that. So not too bad. And for the whole lot, I paid, including this, it's kind of like a soap holder. This will go in my antique booth. I'll sell it for $6 or $7. When all was said and done, I spent $60 on everything. Oh, actually, these were also part of it. So these are like NFL Pro Football, National, Central Division, Eastern. Anyway, all these like striped pencils. They're number 2 pencils, and they're vintage. And so these will sell for about $30. These group of items were all in that toolbox / tackle box. It's a grip lock. I'll price that at $35. So I found these items in there as well, and these are Mustad and Son. They're Norwegian like fishing hooks, number 6. And I think I will be able to sell this pack of 7. They're all the same size for about $25, $25. And then this is a little bait trap. Not super valuable. I'll put it in my antique booth for $5. Nothing crazy. Same with the Mitchell. This is a Mitchell reel assembly, or like a spool assembly, what you put your string on. And then what made me want to buy, I spotted this, and it's like this, and if you can see, it says Corps of Engineers, U.S. Army, and it says manufactured by Superior Magneto Corp. So this is about like a $45 or $50 compass. So I got this and this for $7. This was also this little game. It's like a $15 shipped classic football game, Mattel. This was also part of the magazine and pills bundle. Next we have a huge collection of Fleetwood Mac and Stevie Nicks tapes. So these are the Fleetwood Mac tapes. There's 7 there, and there are 8 Stevie Nicks tapes. I bought them all for $2. Those will go well together. I'm not sure how much I'll sell this for. And then we have a fully aluminum tackle box, Umco 173AS, the model. Those sell for $30. I'll sell that for that in my antique booth. And then here's another tackle box slash toolbox. This is mostly actually a toolbox, and it's a Pioneer Steel Co. It's all priced at about $35. Okay, that's it. So I think I spent about $200 total on Friday. It wasn't the greatest day. Nothing really stands out. The sling box stands out to me. Thank you again for stopping by, and I'd appreciate a like and a subscribe if you find my videos helpful. So thanks. Have a good one. Bye.